In this quick tutorial, we will show you how to install a WordPress plugin you downloaded from the TechSpokes store. While in your website admin area, click Add New Plugin under the Plugins menu item. On the Add Plugins page, click the Upload Plugin button at the top left. Then, click Choose File and select the plugin zip file you have downloaded from our store. Click Open, and then click the Install Now button to upload the plugin to your website. Once the upload is finished, click the Activate Plugin button to complete the installation process. You'll be redirected to the Plugins admin screen. The new plugin will appear in the Active Plugins list.